Hello, my friends, and welcome. 3 eggs. From which country are you watching my channel? Beat the eggs well. 150 grams sugar. 20 grams cinnamon sugar. Mix the eggs well with the sugar. Subscribe my channel to help me grow, please. 150 milliliters vegetable oil. Mix everything very well. 190 milliliters milk. Stir well. Subscribe my channel, like and share the video. 340 grams plain flour. Sift the flour. I'll mix in half the flour now and the rest later. Incorporate the flour well. "25 grams baking powder. Sift the other half of the flour. Incorporate well the rest of the flour. If you like to have an amazing Japanese knife like this one, you can find the link below on description. 6 strawberries. 2 bananas cut into 6 pieces. Place the fruit inside paper molds. Let's fill the paper molds. Chocolate sprinkles on top. Bake at 180°C or 355°F for 25 to 30 minutes. 25 minutes later, looks amazing. Amazing. Enjoy! Two eggs. $120 grams sugar. Mix well. $125 milliliters vegetable oil. Mix well. $150 milliliters milk. Mix well. 10 milliliters vanilla extract, mix well. 220 grams plain flour, 25 grams cocoa powder, 12 grams baking soda, sift, mix well. Forty grams desiccated coconut, mix well. Fill the cupcake cases. A sprinkle of desiccated coconut on top. Bake at 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Enjoy!